Where are they at?
I don't know, because they were going towards the boat. They were staying in that black strip, but now the boat...
They're behind the boat.
Oh, I see now. They went around.
I can't see the boat. There's the boat.
Yep, they're coming up still.
Where?
They're right here. They'll come up, watch.
Where's the boat?
They're right here.
I think I just totally missed them.
They'll be right here somewhere.
I can't see what I'm filming because of the sun.
There they are. They're still going down the black strip. You see them on there?
I can't see nothing. I see the boat.
Well, they're way over here now.
Where?
They're coming towards this boat, but they're still in the black strip. They're right there.
Dolphins are hard to film.
They're not coming up as much now.